Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on Help Guy. So, today we're going to talk about how you can create a business email with your domain or with a domain. Now, the best way to do this is by accessing a third party. So, one of my suggested applications here is Neo Email, or simply go to www.neo.space.com. So click on this, and then instantly they have a free trial. There are, of course, monthly subscriptions here, but this is one of the best ways for you to have a business email. So it's a business email service for entrepreneurs. So let's click on start free trial. Now, instantly, this will be the next interface that you will face. So here we have two selections. So if you already have a domain, just click on yes, I have a domain I can use. Enter your domain here. And then on the next page, it will ask you now to create your email account. Now, if you don't have a domain, interestingly, they can also help you one. So no, I need a new domain. Click on that, type on the domain you want. Let's say myportfolio.com. And then instantly they help you create your own domain. And as you can see here, there are of course renews here for plans. You can do it for only $7 to $8 a year, $1 per month. So that's really affordable pricing. And after this, if you click on get domain, now you will be needing to input your full name, an existing email address, and then your password. And that's it. You can now create a customer account, you can create emails, and you can access the other resources that they have as well, and the other features that they have, like email tracking, smart write, and many more. You can also have email campaigns here. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out in creating a business email service. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button, as we will be posting more videos only here on Help Guy.